Hi.
I realized that everyone's just been talking at you guys since like you guys have feelings too. Hello, my name is Makalya Jeffries. I'm a rising junior at York Collegiate Academy. Fun fact, I'm from New Jersey. That's why like that whole back row just upset right now. Like the New Jersey transit thing is just like no bueno. So now that you know me as personally as you can from like a presentation, we can talk about what I did for Blue Stamp. So at Blue Stamp, I decided to do an SDP, and an SDP is a student-defined project. Student-defined projects are really challenging because no one at Blue Stamp has ever done them before, and in my particular case, there's not a lot of reliable resources online. So it was just very I decided to do an EEG-controlled RC car, and I'll demonstrate it for you now. Just before I demonstrate it for you guys, it's gonna look like weird, like just to let you know. And I do need silence so that I can concentrate to make the car move. But it is worth it. Just have to put that in there. I chose this project because, like, my dad, when I was younger, got me into like a lot of like nerdy things, like X-Men and such, like telekinesis. So I'm like, how cool would it be if I'd be able to do what I just did? But let's get into what I actually did because, like, it looked kind of crazy. Gotta explain it. So the headset that I just used is called a MindFlex. MindFlex is a type of EEG. EEG stands for electroencephalogram, which sounds scary. It doesn't have to be scary if you have a headset though, it's like less invasive. And this is, in its most basic form, a brain measurement for brain activity and voltages. The first thing I did was opened the MindFlex and the RC car controller, just finding like what I would have to solder, resolder. But in here, I found my greatest problem because when I opened the MindFlex, I just was like so happy. I'm like, yes, I'm an engineer. And I just like cutting things. It's like snip, 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 and like some of those snips were not good. Not good at all. I cut off sensors and battery packs, so I spent a lot of time soldering, resoldering, desoldering to resolder. And a whole lot of electrical tape. There's just electric tape everywhere just because of me. I'm so sorry. But overall, Blue Stamp has been an amazing experience. It's helped me to think like an engineer. And thinking like an engineer is basically breaking all of your problems down to base one and fixing the base one problem, then going to the base two. And I think that's something that you can apply to all aspects of life. And it helped me to know what I'm truly capable of. And I think that's really powerful because when you look like me in a society like this, like the society makes you doubt what you can actually do. But now I don't. Thanks.
Can you explain a little bit more how it actually works? Like what are you doing when you're wearing that to make it work? Okay, make it move. It was really cool, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you. So what happens is there are 8 horizontal digits. The 8 horizontal digits range from like signal quality, attention, meditation. These are all different like aspects of your brain, basically. So when I focus, the number goes down. The signal quality number goes down, and there's a pin on the Arduino. Well, you can't see it, but like, there's a pin on the Arduino that's plugged in to the RC car's forward pin is plugged in, So I was able to code it to say if the signal quality is 25 or less, the forward pin will go high, making the car move.
This is like biofeedback sort of? Like, I can't explain what biofeedback is well enough to ask that question, but but could someone else do it? Like, could I put that on?
Yes.
Is
Fun
it
fact, Edward is the best at doing my projects. It's just a strange thing, but like it happens.
So what are you, like, are you thinking about something in particular when you have that on to get it to move?
Yes, sort of. I have like attention problems, but I have like functional attention problems. So like I just try to like focus on like one thing. So that's why I was looking at the screen, because I try to focus on the numbers because like it's the easiest thing.
And that focus made something go down.
Yeah. Any more? Thank you all.